Connecting the smart bulb to Siri. You'll be able to connect your smart bulb to Siri using voice commands to execute actions such as turning your lights on and off. To connect your smart bulb to Siri, select the Smart tab at the bottom of the screen and press Add Scenario. Name your scene. And then hit Add Action. Choose the first option. Select your device, and then press Switch. Save your settings and hit the back button. Tap Add to Siri at the lower right of the screen. Select Add to Siri again, and hit the record button to record your scene's name. Scene 4. When finished, stop your recording and press Done. To execute your new command, simply say, "Hey Siri, Scene 4," and witness your light bulb turning off. Third-party apps. Your smart bulb is compatible with many popular third-party apps. To access the third-party apps, select your device from your app's home screen, and then click on the pencil icon on the top right corner. You'll be able to see and interact with many popular apps, including Amazon's Alexa, Google Assistant, If This Then That, and many more. Explore the Jetstream Home app for endless options to customize your smart devices. Please contact Ematic customer service for additional support.